guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tierrafleming, and in today's video we are going to be organizing the fridge. I need to tackle that fridge because it looks horrible. Let's get into this video, let's have some fun, and let's organize, okay? So I'm going to show you guys what the fridge looks like in the inside. There's so much stuff down here on this shelf. Like, oh my God, there's so much junk in there. Things are everywhere. We got fruit in here, but it's all mixed up. Stains, dirt that I need to clean. Another stain. Down here is vegetables, onions, cilantro, peppers, all types of stuff. Then we go over here to the door. Some butter, some ginger, a mess, more mess, So this is my little label maker, guys. I had got this for Mother's Day. I think it's called for Nimbot, something like that. The D11. So you open it up, it comes with a little manual. It gives you all the directions on how to use it. And this is how it looks, guys. It is so cute. And then I did a little display when I was trying to see how it worked, and I did one little label that says milk. But yeah, this is how it works. It's actually an app, so you have to download an app on your phone. You register it, and then that's it, and then it'll be like a little screen that'll pop. So the first thing you want to do is load the paper in here correctly into your label maker device. So you load the paper in here correctly. Let me open it up so you can see how it looks in the inside. So you load it up correctly. Make sure you get your phone, turn on your Bluetooth so you can connect the Nimbot. Once it connects to your phone, then it'll automatically register you, I believe. And that's it. Everything will pop up. You can change the sizing of the letters, the style of the letters that you want to use, the font, and then you can just type in the name of what you want to label, like milk, ice cream, garbage, whatnot, whatever. And then you're going to hit print. And that's it. This is how you turn it on. You press this button here, you hold it, and it makes this little noise. And that's it. And then you get to working. So yeah, guys, that's it. Of course, I'll have everything linked in my description box of all the items that I got, including my label maker, because this came from Amazon as well. So I'll make sure I have it in the description box, along with all of the items that I'm using to organize the fridge. It will be in the description box as well. So I wanted to show you guys everything that I'm going to be using in the fridge today to organize. So I have an egg bin, egg tray, some containers here for produce. These are the dividers for the 2 drawers in the fridge. Then also here, let me turn this down a little bit. Also here I have the bottles for all of our sauces, stuff like that. This is for the milk and the almond milk, so regular milk, almond milk jugs. I think I'm going to use these for fruit. Add more veggies in here. This is one that I already had previously from another organizing video when I did underneath the kitchen sink. And then this here is for like basil, cilantro, mint leaf, asparagus, stuff like that to keep it more fresh. All your herbs to keep it fresh. So all of this stuff here came from Amazon and the Container Store. This right here came from the Container Store, Amazon, sorry, Container Store. I think Amazon, either Amazon or at home. I had these for a while. Got that from Amazon and Amazon. So of course I'll have all the links in my description box if you want to grab some of the things that I'm using for the fridge. Yeah, I'll have it in the description box. But yes guys, so I am about to wash everything right now. I'm going to do that really fast, and then I'm going to clean out the fridge. But I just wanted to show you guys what I was using for the fridge. Okay. So I washed everything. Everything is all nice and clean. I tried to dry everything off as best as I could. But isn't these really cool, guys? Look at these. This is for your herbs. And then, so it's like a little door here. And then you put the water in the back. So you put some water in there. And this is how you keep your herbs fresh. But yeah, I'm only gonna use 2 because I only have cilantro and something else. I don't know, but I know I have something else in there. We're going to take everything out of the fridge. So I'm gonna take all this stuff out. Take all this stuff out of the fridge because everything is everywhere. Grapes, I know I got some old grapes in the back there, some tomatoes, peppers, all this stuff. I'm gonna take everything out and clean this fridge real quick. I'm gonna do it quickly. So yeah, let's get into that part. So everything is out of the fridge, so I am about to clean it out. My husband is going to clean out the bottom bins there. And then I'm going to clean out all of this real quickly because we got to put this food back in the fridge. So I don't want to take too long on this, but as you can see, it's very, very dirty. See that? Those crumbs. Let me turn it down so maybe you can see the light in the. Turn it down so you can see the crumbs that's in the fridge and all that down there at the bottom has to be cleaned. So yeah. All right, let me tackle this and then we'll start putting in the organizers and the food. Okay, so this is everything that we took out of the fridge. I had forgot to show you guys, but this is everything. Look at this, so bad. This is trash. What's the date on this? Let's see. It's not focusing. I don't know. But it says June 2022. And then got stuff there. It's just stuff everywhere. So we're gonna throw away all the stuff that needs to go in the garbage. Like this stuff. There's some taco rice and probably some tomatoes down there. Yeah, and we're gonna put everything back in the fridge. Well, in the organizers and then back in the fridge. Right now I'm just trying to figure out where I'm going to put everything in the fridge. So this is what I came up with so far. Like this, I have the herb pot at the top. That's going to be with the drinks. Then on the second shelf I got like eggs and produce, and then it'll be more produce and fruit. And then at the bottom it'll be fruit and meat. And then on the side, of course, it'll be all the condiments and butter and stuff like that. So I think this is what I'm working with. Let's see how it looks. And yeah, I am about to clean the fruit and veggies right now. And then I'll start putting the stuff in. So let's get to it. So here's all the fruit well, here's all the produce that I cleaned. Some blueberries, carrots, blackberries, grapes, green onion, bell pepper, a half a head of lettuce, broccoli, bell peppers, tomatoes, and then I have some cilantro, some onion, mint, and I'm going to add some potatoes too. And that's it. So I'm going to put everything in the organizers, and then after that I'm going to get to the condiments, those bottles right there. Right now I am getting ready to add all the condiments inside of these bottles here. So, yep, inside of those bottles. So this is what I'm going to put in the bottles. My Miracle Whip. I got some mayo back there. Focus. Mayo, Miracle Whip, some yum sauce, mustard, ketchup. I don't know why I got 2 bottles of ketchup, but ketchup, Caesar dressing, and then I still have these left over here, but I'm gonna keep these in the original bottle because I don't have additional empty bottles. I only have 8, and so we're just gonna hide those behind these bottles here. But yeah, and then I'm going to use my label maker. Turn it on. So that's how you turn it on. And then I have the app. Let me turn it down so you can see. I have the app right here on my phone.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright guys, so I am done with all the condiments. I got the ketchup, mustard, the yum sauce. I got the Caesar dressing, the Miracle Whip, the cilantro lime dressing, I got the chipotle mayo and then the regular mayo. So I am going to put all of these in the fridge right now. And then I'm going to finish everything up and show you the before look again and then the beauty after, okay? So this is the before look. As you can see, everything is everywhere. The top shelf, I have a lemon up there, and then I have the Miracle Whip that does not belong right there. On the second shelf, I have avocados, some old taco meat and tomatoes that I used for tacos a couple days ago. I have some old grapes, some leftovers that I bought from the restaurant there. And then look at this mess. The kids did all of this. You know they don't care. So it's applesauce, hot sauce. I think it's something that the kids ate 2 days ago on that shelf. And here, the fruit is just all mixed up, and I do not like that. I don't like the look of that. And then don't get me started on the door. Like, look at all this clutter. So I had to take care of this right away, guys. This is how it looks after. Isn't it beautiful, guys? So on the top shelf, I have my almond milk, my regular milk, and then some leftover milk in the other jug back there. Turn this down a little. I have some Smart Water on the shelf and some juice. I think it's four juices back there. So all my juice in one row, Smart Water, almond milk, regular milk, and then I have some green onions, cilantro, and mint leaf back there. And these are so cool, guys. You can add water back here to keep your herbs fresh and for them to last longer. So I thought those were really, really nice. On this shelf, I have my eggs. I have some produce, some veggies. I have a lettuce head, some tomatoes, some baby cucumbers. Okay, there we go. Some baby cucumbers, some tomatoes, a lettuce head. And then in this one, I have some potatoes and some onions. On this shelf, I have some avocados and some plums in here. And then these are blueberries and raspberries. No, I'm sorry. Blueberries and blackberries. And then in the back, let me show you in the back. In the back there, I have some grapes and some salad, a salad mix. And then I have some spinach back there. Right here, I have carrots and broccoli. And then on the second one, well, the one at the bottom, I have some peppers. And here, you've seen what I had in here, guys. So I have some corned beef meats, some lunch meat. I got some turkey bacon, some feta cheese for my salads, cheese and more cheese, black cheese, more cheese, turkey hot dogs. Then this row down here, I have my sparkling water. And this is the peach pear flavor, so sparkling water, strawberry applesauce, the go-go squeeze for the kids, and Stassi and Ramon, they love apple cinnamon. So we got some of those. They have some juice pouches. Here is just fruit, it's lemons, oranges, and apples. It's kind of low, but it'll do for now. And a lime back there, one little lime. Then down here I have meat, so I have some ground chicken, some ground beef, and a pack of chicken wings. Then if you come on over to this side, I have my butter at the top, some butter, garlic, and some ginger, well, a ginger root. I have all of my condiments here. And I think this just looks so much better. It looks so much, I don't know, it just looks more organized, more together, more well put. It looks really, really nice. This sign is crooked, can't you tell? So crooked, but it's okay. But yeah, so that's that, and that's the mustard. And then I have the other ones in the back hiding because I didn't have enough bottles, so I'm going to get some more bottles and put those in the bottles to make everything more unified. Here I have water, more water. I took the wrappers off just to make this look more clean. So that's that. And down here I have peppers, pickles, grape jelly, some sour cream, and a box of baking soda. You always have to keep a box of baking soda in your fridge. That will keep it from being smelly, from creating an odor. It keeps your fridge smelling nice and fresh. So if you didn't know, now you know. Get you a box of baking soda from the dollar store or something. It's only $1. Then down here I have my little health juices, cold pressed juices. I have the lemon mint. Shake it up. So I have just 2 of these left. And then my husband and I, we both drink these too. The Bolthouse Farms drinks. So I got a green goodness and a strawberry banana. And then here's just some Parmesan cheese that I placed here. But yeah, guys, that's it. Let me know how I did on the fridge. I tried to organize it the best way that I can. And also, I do have 2 little kids, so I want to make sure that it is kid friendly. So these bottles here are plastic, and I got these from the Container Store. This is plastic as well. Everything in here is plastic. Nothing is too heavy. Nothing. All of this is not heavy, so the kids can pick it up. Then I have all of their snacks and stuff here on this shelf so they can easily get it. Fruit easily can get. So yeah, my fridge is kid friendly, which is the most important in our household. But yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. All the organizers that I used today in this video, I'll have the links in my description box, so make sure you check it out. Let me close it, open it back up. Yeah, all the links will be in the description box, so if you want to get some of this stuff, it will be there for you, okay? Okay. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time.